Alright, so very quickly before we go into designing proper, in this lesson I want to show you how you can remove image backgrounds in very few simple easy steps. Alright, you need to remove image background most times, especially when you are adding a picture to your design and you don't want the normal background of that picture to appear on your design. Okay, so you just very quickly remove the background and do what you want to do with the main image. Okay, I told you before that one of the major features that you miss on the free version of Canva is removing of image backgrounds. Okay, but if you know this technique that I'm going to show you now, you are not going to miss that at all. Okay, so very easily just go to remove.bg. Okay, this is actually a web service that removes image backgrounds for you automatically with just one click. Okay, so what you want to do now is to upload the image you want to remove the background for. Okay, so I'll just pick any image from here, or let me pick an actual image. So just go to my device and pick an image I want to use. Okay, so let me just go with this. So you will see automatically the AI will help me get the job done. So just some seconds. So as you can see, fast and easy. Okay, this even took too long. I think it's because of maybe network, but as you can see, as easy as this, the background removal is done. Okay, so what you want to do is just click on download, and then the PNG image will be saved to your device. Okay, as simple as this, you can remove any image background fast. Okay, so now we'll move to the next lesson where we are going to be doing a design practically together. All right.